After watching this video, you'll be able to make your first $1,000 from crypto, even if you are a total beginner. Now, recently, everyone was talking about Tap Airdrop, although some of us made money from Notcoin and Dog's airdrop, but every other airdrop apart from these two airdrop disappointed people. And I know that the question running through your head right now is, what is the next way to make money from crypto? So in this video, I'm going to talk about 4 ways to make money in crypto as a beginner. So if you enjoy content like this, make sure to smash the like button right now and subscribe to this channel, and let's get started. So the first way you can make money is from DeFi or Degen trading. Now this is simply the act of buying coins with small market cap and then holding them for a long time to make insane returns from those coins. But the thing is, most of the coins you trade on these platforms once started as a very small coin. Now, WIF as an example started less than $15,000 market cap. We also had other coins like Bonk, which did over 50,000%, and it is currently at $1.7 billion market cap right now, which means you would have made a lot of money if you had invested in these coins early. But here's the problem: it is not very easy to spot this kind of coin, especially if you don't have knowledge about cryptocurrency and DeFi. It will be very difficult for you to do so. Now, if you've been following me on this channel, I've talked about several ways you can identify these coins from smaller market cap, and then you can buy them early and make insane money from these coins. If you're on my Telegram channel, you see that I've been dropping a lot of these coins and we've been making crazy profits from them. So make sure you consider joining my Telegram channel. But just in case you want to learn how to do it on your own, I've made a lot of videos about how to do it on this channel. So what you're going to do is go ahead and check the videos on this channel and watch those videos. They are going to help you to do these things easily. And for those that are willing to learn how to make money from crypto, I have an update for you at the end of this video. So make sure to watch this video till the end to find out the update. The second way to make money in crypto is called spot trading. Now this is simply the act of buying and selling coins. So you can actually go to any of these exchanges of your choice like Binance, Bybit, KuCoin, OKX, and many more, and then go there and then either buy Bitcoin or any other coin of your choice, and when they increase in price, then you can sell and take your profit. So this is basically what spot trading is all about. Now the best ways to make money in spot trading is to first conduct fundamental analysis on any coin you want to buy, and a trick to make higher profits from spot trading is to identify coins with a little bit lesser market cap than Bitcoin, Ethereum, and some of these big caps. And when you look out for those kind of coins, then you can do your analysis on them and find out if it is fundamentally okay for you to buy that coin, and do some technical analysis. Look at the chart, and if the chart gives you some bullish signal that this coin is going to move up in the next few months or few days, then you can go ahead and buy this coin and hold it. And that way, you're going to make more profits from spot trading. But there are several other things you need to consider when looking out for coins that could give you insane profits when you're doing spot trading. So make sure to check out my video about spot trading to learn more about that. Now the third way to make money from crypto is called airdrops. Now I know you're frustrated with Tap airdrop, but there are several airdrops that came in the past and we made money from it. Myself, I made about $4,000 from one more airdrop, and Arbitrum airdrop gave me over $1,000, and there are several airdrops I've made thousands of dollars. Even Notcoin gave me about $1,000. You can see that airdrops are really profitable, but the problem is right now most of the airdrops have been disappointing. But here are a few airdrops you can do right now. We have retroactive airdrop, we also have testnet airdrop, and social tax airdrop. Now retroactive airdrop is the airdrop that you need money to do some tax. Now I mentioned airdrops like Arbitrum and Wormhole airdrop. Those airdrops require that I spend some fraction of money to be eligible for those airdrops. So those ones are like the most profitable kinds of airdrop you can actually do, and I've talked about a lot of them on this channel. I know you've been looking to learn about cryptocurrency and how to actually make money from the crypto space. Now I have designed a cryptocurrency mastery course. Now the goal of this course is to pull you by hand from a beginner's level to an expert level. In this course, I talked about cryptocurrency basics, spot trading, futures trading, margin trading. And for those that want to get started with trading meme coins, I talked about DeFi, which has to do with everything with getting started with DeFi. And meme coins were one of my major concentration in this course. If you want to get access to this course, click on the link in the description. The website is uchecrypt.com. Go to the website and register for this course right now. Now, the second kind of airdrop we have is testnet airdrop. Now, these are totally free airdrops that require you to do certain tasks without spending your own money. Now this is also profitable, but most times this platform do not reward people that do the airdrop. Now the third kind of airdrop we have is social tax airdrop, which is more like the not coin airdrop we got recently. So here are my recommendations for airdrops you can start farming right now. For free Telegram airdrop, I would recommend you do Moonbeg airdrop. I've made a video about it on this channel, so check out the video on this channel to find out how to position for that airdrop. And for retroactive airdrop, I recommend Scroll airdrop and Hyperlink airdrop. And finally, for testnet airdrop, I'm going to recommend Movement airdrop. So these are some of the airdrops you can start farming right now that could make you money in the next few months. And if you want to learn more about airdrops, make sure you are following this channel right now and also join my Telegram channel. Now the fourth way you can make money from crypto is called futures trading. Now this is very risky, especially if you don't know how to analyze the chart yourself and do proper risk management. But if you've been following me on this channel, I've made a comprehensive video about how to do futures trading. And if you also follow me on my Telegram channel, I also drop regular futures trading signals so that we all can enter and make money together. So make sure you consider joining my Telegram channel. But it will be very profitable if you know how to analyze the chart by yourself. This way, you don't have to wait for me to drop signals for you. You can basically look at the different coins we have and find a coin you can actually trade on your own. So this is it about futures trading and the 4 ways you can make money from cryptocurrency. I hope you learned from this. If you did, make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel. And I'll see you in my next video.